ne rangambaone.
Una matadane rangambaone ngandane ala marakasa idiwo ya worime ya.
So music wise everything. So I saw you have a tape that is about to drop, an EP that is about to drop. Ningadori budza meaning of the EP.
The mixtape une nendo budza uri upe room for improvement. And the hello dina ndikomita ngantanori dorimisedza upakale rineriko tipusha rikuita music tazozi vamwe vachikodzizvipa ravona uri rokositata kati 0 ratisvika une ragonya nagonya kotoraro zvinozikotoambori wadzura una improvement risakwasadori environment ayo kana une rakobva hone zvikotisa hani mara room for improvement idzura ihono ndori music ungathoma kamusi ukaimwe level watisvika vona kaimwe level ndezvo zvenhenda itori helo dzina live ngotoralo. So mixtape hoyo ukova na track dza 10 dzineke edzo track udiverse body it's different sound mara wone wofarwa nga hip hop and then una message there's no trap but una hip hop avana na dancehall type and therefore avana na afro pop type mara all of those ziva dzo mixiwa nga hip hop nga uri ndabikwa hone ndi kha hip hop.
Okay, so zembori aniko pamba na hip hop is just an issue or you mixing, you diverse with the music.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and that's what I believe in. I can be able to mix any type of genre with the hip hop music, and I love mixing Afro pop and hip hop. I love mixing electro and hip hop. What I found out is that when you are doing this type of mixtures, you are able to cover a huge audience. So when I'm doing like that, it means I'm gonna cover for someone who likes Afro pop and for someone who likes hip hop per se.
Okay, no, I do get it. So when is it dropping? In this mixtape?
The mixtape was supposed to be dropped today on the 28th, but then due to some complications with the distribution, I think it has something to do with the COVID-19. But then it's something that I just believe that it can be sorted, and now I believe it can be sorted. So I will communicate with the people. I will also communicate with you as to when I'm gonna drop this mixtape. But what I can say right now is that our delay is not a denial. We're still going to drop this.
Okay, so somewhat the mixtape is still gonna drop. Whatever maybe as you know, not delay nyana because of COVID-19 and all that. So beside the tape that is about to drop, room for improvement. Let's talk about what this the whole thing. COVID-19. Have it affected any of your plans? Which the kama music.
Yeah, it has affected a lot of my plans. I was supposed to travel to Eswatini. There was a show, MTN Bushfire. I was one of the artists that were going to perform in there, but I haven't. It was great because it happened before I could even say anything about it to the fans, to the supporters, and to the people I know. So besides that show, we were hosting our own show, Ball Up 5-on-5, Ball Up 3-on-3, in Joburg Zoo Lake. It was supposed to have happened on the 28th March, but COVID-19 came, and therefore our plans dropped.
Yeah, now I do understand or is this thing you affect us or affect our Tubanjimara so far rengarengo copy sahani. Or
I'm trying to capitalize on the online issues on the online entertainment. Like, how can I put it? Like doing things online. I'm trying to capitalize on that.
Streaming.
Yeah, because right now everyone it's at the comfort of their homes. So it's the right time for people to stream the music. Of course, you won't spend the whole day without listening to music. So if we push the streams at the times like this, we will see the numbers going higher and higher.
Yeah, that's true. Then you go here. Okay. Recording for body man. There's one thing again I want to know.
Yeah.
You one of the people when it comes to streaming, like streams, you're doing better, ne? You're doing better than the most. What is your recipe that maybe bangu batu bayani or venda bang understand or this is where we're getting it wrong.
Yeah, the thing with me is that always I'm always looking for new people, new audience. I don't really share my things on the same platform. Like every day is the same platform that limits me. For example, on WhatsApp, I know that if I'm always sharing on WhatsApp, it's the same people who are gonna be seeing my things. So most of the time, I use Twitter. So I capitalize on that. Twitter is more powerful, I can say that. And when you get your streams higher from your people, from your followers, and from other people's followers, therefore there's things that happens with the for example, Spotify. You can pitch your music. You pitch your music from Spotify to Spotify playlist. So therefore, they add your music to that playlist. Maybe South African hip hop artists, maybe Mzansi hip hop, like that is being curated by Spotify. From there, once you get in there, you can get a lot of streams, and from there, from the numbers that you have, you just have to keep pushing every day. You keep pushing every day. You don't have to limit yourself. Every day is the day for pushing your music.
Yeah. So, which means that's how you do your things. No, thank you very much. Before you go, or I can let you go. Tell me something. What can you tell other artists, like just you, like what you want people to know, your fans, artists, or anyone that might be listening? What can you say to them?
I'd like to say that let's not limit ourselves. We might not be getting support from the people we know, from the local people. There's still a lot of people around the world who want to listen to music, to new music, or who wants to listen to you. So keep pushing and keep feeding people quality music. Quality stays more than quantity. Whether you give them more music, but there's no quality, it won't stay forever. So make sure that if you're holding your music and it's diverse, make sure that the world sees it and the world listens to your music. That's what I can say. And also, I can say to the local artists, guys, I can see there's a lot of competition, and also to the local media, allow new artists to have that spot. Allow artists that are working hard to have that spot. They deserve it. I think they deserve it because most of the time, you see, it's the same people like who are getting such spots, who are getting such highlights. Like I can do something better, maybe better than the other artist that is already there on the spot, but they won't search. They won't talk about my thing. They won't investigate about what I'm doing. They will only focus on such artists. And when that happens, Zita uri na hip hop is exciting. Like Zita no music is exciting or awuna muthu muswa anokuita zviso zvine zvanga va exciting kavamwe vanhu. So ara ranga pfumula nga vathu vane va go shuma. Zviamba zvori mini nambonalo yashu sa hip hop yothe. Uvo ndori kha dzi fans na kha supporters uvo chinga awuna une rakoya because vanoko shuma ari va support vanoko shuma ari ambi nga ari investigate chithu ngavo. So today nandikotoliwa uri Nema on there this chance. It means a lot to me. I'm honestly speaking. It means a lot to me, a lot.
Yeah, we will also need you to request if you can hit up Comzero also, so we can have you also on the late night show, Van Rep late night show. So if you're not going to hit up also Comzero, we can also give you a chance right there, and then we can still speak to you on that other platform, and you can reach also more fans, because also on that side there's a lot of us that are doing that at the show. Come on.
I'd appreciate that, and I really appreciate what you guys are doing. I watched that show. I was watching it. Honestly, I was watching this other one. They were talking about statement Chongwaronga DJ Taki. It was very interesting, and also the latest one. The latest one I watched it. The album Umbili versus I Graduate and Graduate. I watched it. It's very interesting. That's a good platform. Keep doing the best, guys.
Yeah, no, thank you very much. And I appreciate for giving me a chance. Wara kotori ndini bidena na akoli so akoli at this operator guy phone your so cover off. But you know what, keep pushing and I'm hoping to see you guys go forward. I hope to also see a lot of music videos coming through from you guys.
Okay, Anna, thanks. That's also on the pipeline. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much. So before you go, tell me this track. It doesn't matter. The one I'm gonna play for the fans. Why did you choose this track?
I chose this track because to me it doesn't matter if people are hating or they don't like what I'm doing.